often hear in church people talk about God's unconditional love. And my question is that actually scriptural, or is that something that us as Christians say?
Yeah.
Because when you look at John 3:16, that sounds like a condition to me.
Yeah. So the way I explain it is that's a very good question, by the way. It is an unconditional love only because of the act that he did.
A TU KO JISU